In this lecture, we will create the level for our game. Up at the top of the code, we need to create two variables, position x and position y, that will store the initial x and y positions for our Batman character. Then we will create a variable named Batman Health, set equal to 200, and another variable called Darkside Health, set equal to 200. Both Batman and Darkside will start out with a full health of 200. Next, we need to create some more global variables. We will have a variable named Batman set to a turtle object. This Batman will be the actual playable character on the screen. For the enemy character, Darkside, we will create a variable named Darkside and set it to a turtle object. Then we need two global variables for the health bars. We will create a Darkside Health turtle that we will set to a turtle object. Then we will create a Batman Health turtle set to a turtle object as well. Next to the health bars, we'll go a snapshot of the characters' heads. So we will create a variable named Batman Head set to a turtle object. Then we will have a variable named Darkside Head, which is also set to a turtle object. Next, we need to go where we have added shapes for each of the images in the game. We're going to add the images that we need for the game level. The background of our game will be the GothamCity.gif file, so we will add that shape to the screen. Next, we will add shapes for the Batman 1 and Batman 2 GIFs respectively. Then we will add the Batman Head GIF, followed by the Darkside Head GIF. Finally, we will add a shape for the Darkside 1 GIF, which will be the actual Darkside enemy character. Remember the load game function that we stubbed out in the last lecture? Time to remove the placeholder pass keyword and fill it with some actual code. At the top of the function, we will use the global keyword with the following global variables: start button, Batman, Darkside, Batman Health Turtle, and Darkside Health Turtle respectively. Next, we will create a variable named BG, which stands for background. We will set it equal to a turtle object. Next, we will type bg.shape and pass in the string GothamCity.gif. That handles the showing of the background image. Then we will make Batman's health bar. We will set the shape of our Batman Health Turtle to square. Then we will call up so that it doesn't draw on the screen when it moves. Next, we will set its color to lime green by calling the color function on the turtle and passing in the string lime. Next, we will move the health bar's position by using the goTo function and passing in -320 as the first argument and 155 as the second argument. Next, we will set the width to 25. After that, we will hide the Batman Health Turtle. This is because the turtle is the pen. We only want to show the health bar, which will be a line that we will draw now. To draw the health bar, we first need to put the turtle down on the canvas. We will do this using the down function. Then we will call the forward function and pass in Batman Health. Next, we will position the Batman Head next to the health bar on the screen. First, we will call Batman Head.up. Next, we will set the shape to our Batman Head.gif. Finally, we will use the goTo function and pass in -400 as the X position and 200 as the Y position. For our Darkside Health Turtle, we will do a lot of the same things that we did for our Batman Health Turtle. We will set the shape to square. Then we will lift it up off of the canvas. The color of our Darkside Health Turtle will be lime. Then we will call the goTo function and pass in 320 for the first argument, the X position, and 155 for the second argument, the Y position. Then we will set the width of the turtle to 25. Next, we will hide the Darkside Health Turtle, since we only want to show the line for the health bar that it draws. Then we will use the down function to put the turtle down onto the canvas, so that it makes a line when it draws. Finally, we will use the backward function and pass in Darkside Health. For our Darkside Head variable, we will call the up function, set the shape to our Darkside Head.gif, and then move it to the position 400, 200 on the screen, using the goTo method. We will set the image for Darkside to our Darkside 1 GIF, and the image for Batman to our Batman 1 GIF. Next, we will call Batman.penUp to pick the pen up. Let's set the speed for Batman to 0. Then we will position Batman at -200, -160 using the goTo function. After that, we need to pick the pen up for our Darkside Turtle, set the speed to 0, and then move it to 200, -160 using the goTo function. The one last thing we need to do is go to the top of our code where we were adding the shapes and remove the Batman2.gif shape, since we have no such image in the project. Finally, let's run the code. After we get past the start screen and then watch the animation, you will notice that the level gets laid out according to the code that we wrote. Excellent job! We now have our game level displayed. In the next lecture, we will use Python programming to allow Batman to move in our game.